In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix videos not playing on Messenger. Videos not playing on Messenger can be frustrating, but it is often a common issue with several straightforward fixes. Here's a breakdown of what you can try, starting with the simplest solution. First, check internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and stable. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Also, you can restart Messenger or your device. Force close the Messenger app, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your phone or computer. You can also update Messenger. Ensure your Messenger app is the latest version from your device app store. And you can also offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Messenger, then offload app or delete and reinstall the app. And check storage. Low device storage can prevent videos from playing, free up some space if needed. And lastly, data saver. Turn off data saver and messenger settings, gear icon, then data saver. And that's it. That's how to fix videos not playing on a messenger.